Are you ready to harness the immense potential of Pinterest and transform your pins into profit generating tools? Welcome to the comprehensive guide that will delve deep into the world of monetizing your Pinterest through organic affiliate marketing. We'll equip you with strategic insights and actionable tips, empowering you to leverage Pinterest's unique features to maximize your affiliate conversions, from pinpointing your ideal audience to optimizing every single aspect of your pins for maximum engagement. This guide will provide you with knowledge and tools necessary to transform your Pinterest presence into a lucrative affiliate marketing platform. So get prepared to unlock the full potential of Pinterest and elevate your affiliate marketing game to new heights. Understanding Pinterest's strength for affiliate marketing. To truly grasp Pinterest's potential for affiliate marketing, it's essential to recognize the unique advantages this platform offers. So let's dive in deeper into understanding how Pinterest features can be your ally in the world of affiliate marketing. Pinterest as a visual goldmine. Pinterest boasts over 463 million active users and a visually driven interface, making it a goldmine for affiliate marketers. It offers countless opportunities to promote affiliate products and drive conversions. With its user friendly features, Pinterest simplifies the process of connecting with your target audience, actively seeking inspiration ideas and products. Targeted niche audience. One of Pinterest's significant advantages is its ability to connect users with content that aligns precisely with their interests and aspirations. It's like we're reading their minds. Unlike other social media platforms, Pinterest users actively search for specific topics and ideas. This makes it easier for you to target a niche audience genuinely interested in the products or services you're promoting. And let's explore how to harness this targeting potential. Strategic content curation. Strategically curating boards and pins that cater to your audience's desires is the key to success. Position yourself as a valuable resource and authority in your chosen niche by crafting boards and pins that genuinely resonate with your audience. Visually driven engagement. Pinterest's visually oriented format allows you to highly engaging and eye-catching content. Let's delve into creating pins that capture your audience's attention with striking images and compelling graphics and informative infographics. Learn how to optimize your pins for engagement by adding compelling descriptions and relevant keywords. Keywords are the key to your Pinterest game. Unique features for affiliate marketing. Pinterest offers unique features that can enhance your affiliate marketing strategies. Explore the power of rich pins, which enable you to provide additional information like pricing and availability directly on your pins. Pinterest Shop the Look feature, allowing users to shop directly from your pins and potentially boosting your affiliate conversions. Long-term benefits of Pinterest presence. Building a robust presence on Pinterest can have long-term benefits for your affiliate marketing efforts. Pins have a longer lifespan compared to posts on other platforms. Discover how consistently sharing high-quality content and valuable content can establish you as a trusted authority in your niche, attracting a loyal following and increasing your chances of repeat conversions. Understanding Pinterest's unique strengths for affiliate marketing is crucial to unlocking its full potential. So let's move on to the next section and explore how to create an enticing Pinterest profile that captivates your audience and drives those affiliate sales. Creating a compelling Pinterest profile. To maximize your success in affiliate marketing on Pinterest, crafting a compelling profile is essential. Your Pinterest profile serves as a digital storefront, and optimizing it can specifically impact your ability to capture your audience's interest and guide them toward your affiliate links. Choosing the perfect profile picture. By selecting a profile picture that effectively represents your brand and aligns with your niche, whether it's your company's logo or a professional headshot, the choice is crucial. And we're going to guide you through selecting high quality and attention grabbing images. Creating an irresistible bio. Your bio is your opportunity to convey who you are as an affiliate marketer. Use persuasive language to describe your expertise, your unique selling points, and the benefits users can expect by following you and engaging with your content. For search, optimizing your profile for search by incorporating relevant keywords that you find through research on Pinterest throughout your bio and your name and your board titles and your board description and your pin titles and your pin description. Everywhere is searchable on Pinterest, including what you name that graphic file, using popular search terms and long tail keywords to improve your visibility in Pinterest search results. Aesthetic and organization. Finally, ensure that your profile is organized and visually appealing, using consistent brand elements such as colors and fonts and graphics to create a cohesive and professional look. Learn how to arrange your boards logically and intuitively, making it easy for users to navigate and find the content that they're interested in. By creating a compelling Pinterest profile, you can establish the foundation for attracting and retaining an engaged audience. Your profile will act like a magnet, drawing in your ideal audience with appealing visuals, persuasive language, and a clear representation of your brand. And the keywords do that for you. So make sure you're focusing on what your ideal client is focusing on. What are the keywords that they are typing in that search bar when they're looking for information?